Hello everyone. Hope everyone's having a lovely day on the King's Trooping of the Colour birthday. A little bit cooler as well now that we've had some rain, which is always good. Means you can get more things done. And it means these boys and girls are a little bit more comfortable. Yeah, these little boys and girls are a little bit more comfortable now. Bless them. I thought these two were going to have a little head-to-head then, weren't you? So here's all the boys and girls having their feed now. All looking quite healthy. Looking a lot cooler. Looking a lot cooler. A lot better for themselves. This one's almost finished ruin. A little bit left on her back. Still some that are still ruined. I mean, that one's still got some to come off her yet. Same as this one. But they are getting there. So, here's our Murphy. He's just had his feed by the looks of it. Now having his tail combed, brushed. Combed.
Safety, don't stand right behind your horse to do it. You should stand to the side.
Like you were, yeah. With your head down even more. Yeah.
Except that I trust him, so.
Yeah, I mean, Murphy we do trust.
I'm just saying, for other horses, don't stand right
Yeah.
behind them. He cut his leg yesterday, so he's had some iodine on it.
Down the bottom.
Got some bites up underneath his back legs, so I've just iodine those as well. Fly sprayed, brushed. And you've gone back to sleep, haven't you?
Murphy!
See where he's been sweating then.
Yeah. Murphy! Murph! Murphy! Hello, boy.
Is that where you're poking me, ma'am? Well done, sweetie pie. Gonna go back in the field?
Come on then.
Oh, that's too small. Go find the bigger one.
Come on, Murph. Walk on. Walk on. Come on, boy. Walk on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. So small compared to your cousins we seen yesterday. But we love you just as much, if not more. Well, we do love you more.
I also picked out his hoofs today and he had 2 little twigs in them, so it is important to muck out their feet every day.
Okay. Right. Good boy. So I've just thrown a stick. Not that far away, just over there. And I don't know where Molly's gone. There she is. Where's your stick? Have you got it? Here's our Debbie. And our Bono, look at him covered in mud. And he's keeping nice and cool.
Got horse flies on him.
Yeah, I know. You know what I was thinking the other day? You know, like you get cattle wheels, spinners.
Yeah, I bet he'd love one of those.
You know what I'm thinking? Like, because we got that sleeper put in the ground up there for the gate post, you could easily fix it to that.
Yeah, you probably have that.
And there's our cock pheasant, our resident
That's the thin one.
wild pheasant. I don't know where the other one is. He's probably out with the sheep. But that one is the little thin one, like Debbie said, not the original one that we have. But yeah, there's Murphy, covered in mud. Not Murphy, Bono, covered in mud, happy as a pig in shit. But yeah, he's a happy boy. There's little Moo Moo. What you got? You got your stick? Good girl, aren't you? Hey? Good girl. So, tomorrow, the plan is to bring the sheep into this field and the back field over there, and let the front fields rest. Next week I want to try and get them topped as well again, just to let some fresh growth come through. But yeah, the idea is to get this down, give it to the sheep, let them fatten up on it. But yeah, the sheep will be in here tomorrow. They'll be happy and joyful, and oh, they'll be really happy tomorrow. So yeah, this is where the sheep will be from now on for the next couple of weeks, in these two fields. So yeah, again, thanks very much for watching. Obviously we're going to be moving the sheep tomorrow. That's always entertaining. Sometimes we lose, they go wherever they want to go, and then we got to spend the rest of the day chasing them, or they just go straight into the field. All depends. So yeah, tomorrow's a big sheep move. Murphy will probably stay in the main fields, just so we can keep a better eye on him. But yeah, all the sheep, hopefully all of them, I say. We may get a couple of stragglers staying with Murphy, but I'm hoping to get all the sheep in the back fields tomorrow, the front fields by Bono. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're still enjoying the weather. Hope the rain didn't put off anything you were doing this morning, and we shall see you all tomorrow. Bye for now. Catch you later.